Take a breath for a moment. You don't see air, but you feel its effects. When air is clean, you barely notice it. When it's polluted, everything changes. Air pollution begins with sources: cars and trucks burning fuel, power plants producing electricity, factories releasing emissions, construction dust, household cooking and heating. Different sources, same outcome. Particles and gases are released into the air we breathe. Some pollutants are visible: smoke, smog. Others are invisible: fine particles and gases that travel deep into the lungs. This connection between polluted air and human health was clearly demonstrated by Ari Hagen-Smit, who showed how vehicle emissions and sunlight create photochemical smog. His work transformed air pollution from a nuisance into a measurable public health risk. Now let's look at the impacts. Air pollution doesn't stay outside the body. It enters the lungs. It enters the bloodstream. The result is higher rates of asthma, heart disease, stroke, and premature death. But the impact doesn't stop at health. Productivity drops, healthcare costs rise, cities become less livable. Air pollution also affects crops, damages buildings, and reduces visibility, impacting transportation and tourism. Now zoom out. Air pollution is both a local and global issue. Some pollutants stay near cities, others travel across borders. That's why air quality is now treated as a shared risk, not a local inconvenience. Global organizations monitor this closely. Institutions like the World Health Organization and the United Nations track air quality data worldwide, set exposure guidelines, and support policies that protect public health while allowing economic activity. Their assessments guide urban planning, industrial regulation, and clean energy transitions. Now here's the critical question. Can air pollution be controlled? Yes, when action is based on evidence. Cleaner fuels reduce emissions. Emission standards limit industrial output. Public transport lowers traffic pollution. Air quality monitoring identifies hotspots. Technology filters pollutants before release. Cities that apply these controls see measurable improvements. Cleaner air is not theoretical, it's documented. Before we end, zoom out one last time. Air pollution teaches a clear lesson. You don't have to see damage for it to be real. And you don't have to stop development to reduce harm. Environmental science provides the data, tools, and systems needed to balance growth with health. In the next episode, we'll move to water pollution, where we'll see how contaminants travel through rivers, groundwater, and oceans, and why water quality is directly linked to disease, food security, and economic stability. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where complex environmental challenges are explained with clarity, evidence, and real-world relevance. This isn't about panic. This is about prevention.